Buying digital assets on Nexo is simple, intuitive, and only takes a few clicks. Just open the Nexo mobile app and tap on the Fund Your Account button on the dashboard. From there, select your preferred deposit method: credit or debit card, bank transfer, or topping up from an external wallet. Want to purchase securely in seconds? Then we suggest you choose our Buy with Card functionality. Once you tap on Credit Debit Card, simply select your desired asset. Enter the cash amount you'd like to spend and tap Continue. Then enter the details of your MasterCard or Visa and tap Validate Card. You can rest assured that the information you entered is securely processed by our trusted providers. Right before you're done, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the amount you'll receive. When you're ready, tap Buy and you're all set. Now you can earn, swap, and borrow against your newly acquired asset. It's that easy.